Hi everyone, this is Karla with Ole Grown. So to my left here we have the starts that we planted in our first episode of Ole Grown. So you can see they're looking pretty darn good. Nice and green, a couple inches tall. The lettuce of course is still, short. That's not natural for lettuce. But I've started to bring them outside here because the weather is warming up a little bit. We're above freezing and I need to start acclimating these to being outdoors. So these need to come outside during the daytime when the temperatures are above freezing, and that's going to help them start getting used to that cooler weather. And then we're going to plant them outside in my hoop houses within the next couple of weeks. So I know it seems early, but we're getting started, and the foot of snow that we had is disappearing, so that's good. Hope you guys all are having a great day. If you have planted some starts, let us see what they look like. Post on our Facebook page or comment on our YouTube channel. We'd love to see what you're doing.